Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to let you know that My Creative Time is having a 48-hour flash sale. It starts today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's Friday the 27th, September 27th, and will end on Sunday 29th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 48 hours. You will have a chance to get 25% off your entire purchase using the code FLASH in capital letters. All right, so let me jump in and show you what I created for you today. So don't forget to pick up any of these products that I'm using today. All right, so we're going to start off with this spooky season, and I am going to be using from here Stay Spooky. And then I'm also using the traditional Halloween enamel dots. Love these. I am an enamel dot person, so I love these, but I'm using the color purple there. Cute Frankie dies, and he is adorable, and that's what I'm using. I'm also using this blue background embossing folder. I love that, and I did add some iridescent wax on there, so, and you'll see that on my picture. And then from the Fairy Halloween add-ons, I'm using that little lantern there along with its coordinating piece. And then from the treat box, I'm using the bat die. And then I'm also using the rectangle frame die layers. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to have these pop up on the screen because for some reason I can't find the papers that I used. But it's from this last release, so I'll just show you those and it'll pop across the screen right about now. Okay, and here is this adorable little card that I created using that cute Frankie die. He is just adorable. I love him. I love his outfit that I dressed him up in. And I love that his pants have the little bats on it, kind of bringing in the bat from right there. And I love his little plaid outfit there, just too cute. And then I added that lantern, and it is popped up there. Hopefully you can see that. Stay spooky, I think that was the perfect sentiment. And as you can tell, I added some wax on top of this paper that's in the background. It was black paper, and my wax added a purple tinge to it. And I love how that turned out, and it's a little shiny, that wax. That iridescent wax there, just super cute. And I like that little paper in the background. I think it's perfect for his outfit. Just adorable. And there goes the inside of the card, just kind of plain there, but I love this with the embossing folder back there. All right, so make sure you pick up some of these goodies on your way over to go shopping, and take advantage because My Creative Time don't hardly have 25% off sales, although this year she's had two. So enjoy your time shopping. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.